gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
The first hands-on review of the Nova 16 Pro has finally arrived, and this device is being called a truly eye-catching smartphone thanks to its impressive 200-megapixel main rear camera. But before diving into the review, there's something we need to clear up.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Earlier reports suggested that the Nova 16 Ultra might be rebranded as the Pro Max version. Now that the official launch has taken place, we can confirm that Huawei has kept the lineup unchanged, consisting of the Nova 16, Nova 16 Pro, and Nova 16 Ultra. The Nova 16 Pro I'm reviewing today has received several meaningful upgrades, while the Ultra model takes things even further with a much more advanced package. That said, among all three models in the Nova family, the Pro stands out as a particularly attractive option. This generation comes very close to achieving what Huawei calls technological equality, especially when it comes to performance. One of the biggest highlights is the processor. Every model in the Nova lineup is powered by the Kirin 9010S chipset, delivering flagship-level power and a premium user experience across the board. Huawei's intentions this year are quite obvious. The company has shown its commitment by significantly upgrading its Nova series, while also demonstrating its ambition by moving away from the industry's traditional strategy of separating devices with different performance tiers. Instead, Huawei is giving every model flagship-grade hardware. Now that the background is out of the way, let's take a closer look at the phone itself. Starting with the rear design, the version I have features the iridescent finish, which is the only gradient color option available in the series. The upper section showcases a soft pink tone, while the lower part transitions into a light blue shade. Huawei has blended multiple layers of gradient colors into the texture, creating a vibrant and energetic appearance that shifts beautifully as light moves across the surface. The overall look feels fresh, youthful, and perfectly suited for summer. Huawei calls its new design language dazzling twin stars. The back panel is made from velvet AG glass, while the frame is constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy. Together, they provide a premium feel in the hand in a refined overall texture. On the front, the phone features a 6.84-inch 2.5D flat display. It supports an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz and includes 2160 Hz PWM dimming for improved viewing comfort. The display is protected by anti-aging, scratch-resistant Kunlun glass. Interestingly, both the Pro and Ultra models use the same screen technology. The standard Nova 16 comes with a slightly smaller 6.68-inch display. It also doesn't use Kunlun glass, but it still offers strong durability and resistance to aging. Huawei has also included several intelligent display features, including AI texture eye protection and an AHDR bionic visual effect display. All three Nova 16 models support these functions, and they share many other specifications as well. For example, every device in the series comes equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh battery, making it the largest battery ever used in a Nova smartphone. Charging is equally impressive, with support for 100-watt supercharged turbo technology. The Nova 16 Ultra goes a step further by adding 50-watt wireless supercharged turbocharging. In addition, all three devices support Beidou satellite communication, 5A high-speed networking, 4 to 6 megabits per second satellite flash transmission technology, and Wi-Fi 7. They also arrive with HarmonyOS 6.1 pre-installed, bringing major improvements to Edge AI capabilities and several other software enhancements. Because of all these shared features, the Nova 16 lineup comes remarkably close to offering the same level of technology across every model. The primary distinction between them lies in the camera system. However, Huawei has taken a different approach for much of the smartphone industry. Instead of removing premium camera hardware such as telephoto lenses from lower-tier models, the Nova 16 series includes both a front-facing telephoto camera and a rear red ring primary color lens. Now, focusing specifically on the Nova 16 Pro in my hands, its camera capabilities are extremely close to those of the Ultra version. The star of the show is the 200-megapixel RYYB main camera, paired with a massive 1.128-inch sensor. This sensor was a first for Huawei and represented a significant innovation for the company. To test its capabilities, I used the 200-megapixel main camera to capture a panoramic shot during the Huawei 6 series launch event, and the results were incredibly impressive.
Thanks to its ultra-high-resolution sensor, the Nova 16 Pro gives you plenty of room to crop your photos during editing without sacrificing image quality. Even after significant cropping, the pictures remain sharp and detailed, making post-processing much more flexible. The telephoto camera is another standout feature and remains an industry-exclusive setup. It uses a 50-megapixel RYYB periscope telephoto lens, which delivers impressive zoom capabilities. During the launch event, I relied heavily on this lens to photograph members of the Teens in Times, or TNT group. Since most of the front row seats were occupied by fans, I was positioned quite far from the stage. Even so, the 3.7 times optical zoom was ideal for framing mid-range stage shots, while the 10 times zoom allowed me to capture clear and detailed images of each individual member. Because of this, the Nova 16 Pro is an excellent choice for capturing concerts, graduation trips, travel memories, and even distant mountain landscapes. One thing that stood out in all the photos I took at the event was the remarkably accurate color reproduction. Huawei achieved this by equipping the camera system with its red wind lens technology, featuring 1.5 million multispectral channels that enable global color calibration. Whether you're photographing complex stage environments filled with giant LED displays, delicate flower petals with subtle color transitions, or scenes that require precise color rendering, the Nova 16 Pro is able to reproduce them faithfully. That is exactly what makes the Red Wind camera system so important. The Pro and Ultra models also bring Red Wind primary color technology to the front camera, helping maintain natural and accurate skin tones even under challenging lighting conditions. Across the entire Nova 16 lineup, Huawei includes a 50-megapixel front-facing portrait camera. It is also the only system in the industry that combines a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle front camera with macro shooting capabilities, offering impressive versatility for selfies and close-up photography. On the software side, the Nova 16 series is the first to launch with HarmonyOS 6.1. It comes with the built-in Arc engine, which not only continues to improve overall system smoothness, but also enhances performance under demanding workloads. Huawei has also introduced several new features. One of them is a dedicated learning mode designed to help users stay focused while studying. The phone also integrates an AI learning assistant capable of creating smarter and more effective study plans. The upgraded Xiaoyi assistant has received significant improvements as well. For example, you can simply say, "Xiaoyi, help me remove the person on the left side of this photo," and the AI can perform semantic image editing based on natural language commands. Photo editing can now be completed with a single sentence. Huawei has also expanded its collection of themes. New additions include solo-style themes and special Teens in Times themes designed specifically for fans. There's also a time capsule theme that creates a refreshing summer vibe while adding a stronger sense of emotion and personal connection to the user experience. Before wrapping up, let me share some buying advice regarding this phone. Right now, memory prices are rising rapidly around the world. Many flagship smartphones have increased in price by 800 to 1,000 yuan after launch, while mid-range devices have commonly seen price hikes of 500 to 600 yuan. Against that backdrop, the Huawei Nova 16 Pro starts at 3,899 yuan in China, which is roughly £429 in the UK and around $576 in the United States. More importantly, Huawei's 300 yuan price increase is matched by meaningful hardware upgrades. All three models feature the Kirin 9010S processor, the 200-megapixel Red Wind camera system, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera. Combined with the massive 7,000 mAh high-efficiency battery and the rest of the upgraded specifications, the phone offers significantly stronger competitiveness in its segment. Whether you're looking at the price, comparing it with rival devices, or evaluating its overall value on its own merits, the Nova 16 Pro is easy to recommend. Since the overall experience is very close to the higher-end models, it stands out as one of the most appealing choices in the lineup. That said, these are only my first impressions. A full in-depth review will be coming soon. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and become part of our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.